If you've searched for a free Executor for Roblox, you've probably landed on a dozen sites that all look similar. Flashy design, a countdown timer, a big green download button. Almost none of them give you what they claim. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how this scam works so you know what you're actually looking at before you click download on anything. Why fake Executor sites are everywhere. This category of scam is everywhere because the audience searching for it is specific and predictable. People wanting an edge in Roblox who are already willing to download something outside official channels. That makes it one of the easiest audiences to target, since the normal caution people apply to random downloads tends to disappear when something promises exactly what they're looking for free. The common pattern these sites use. Almost every fake Executor site follows the same formula. A countdown timer creating false urgency. Multiple verify your human steps that are actually just ad revenue traps, sometimes asking you to download unrelated apps along the way. A download button that leads to a completely different file than advertised. And often a fake Discord server linked from the site, filled with bots posting fake proof, comments to make it look legitimate and active. Why they target this specific audience. Roblox's audience skews very young, and younger users are statistically less likely to check a URL carefully, less likely to have antivirus software running, and more excited by the promise of a free tool than cautious about where it came from. Scammers know this, which is exactly why this specific scam category is so persistent. It's not really about Roblox that, it's about finding an audience primed to click first and think later. What actually happens if you download one? Without getting into technical detail, here's the honest outcome. Instead of getting a working Executor, you typically get one of a few things. A program that does nothing at all while quietly running in the background, software that installs unwanted X-Pro programs, or in worse cases, something that goes after saved passwords and account tokens on your device. None of these outcomes are the tool you were promised. Hash red flags to check before downloading anything. Before downloading anything claiming to be free software for a game, check a few things. Does the site have a countdown timer or multiple pointless verification steps? Does the download file name match what you expected, or is it something generic and unrelated? Is the site pushing you toward other downloads along the way? Any one of these should make you close the tab. What to do if you already downloaded one. If you've already downloaded something like this, run a full scan with your antivirus or Windows Defender right away. Change your Roblox password and any other accounts using the same password. Enable two-step verification if you haven't. And check your Roblox trade and transaction history for anything unauthorized, just like we covered in the account recovery video. So to recap, free Executor sites almost universally follow the same scam pattern. They specifically target people willing to skip caution for a shortcut, and the outcome is rarely what's advertised. Recognizing the pattern is the actual protection here. If you want more of these breakdowns, come join the OBX Discord. Links below.